What's up everyone, Alec here at Dherbs. Today I'm going to be asking people if they drop this money, and if they say no, I'm going to give them $100. Let's get to it. Oh, hey man, did you drop this? Real quickly, I'm actually shooting a show for Dherbs. We're seeing if people are going to be honest enough not to take money if we offer it to them. In a moment like this, why did you decide not to take the money?
Instinct.
Yeah, just instinct to do the right thing.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man.
I don't really need to lie to get the money. I just think that if I give more, I'll get more. So
that's beautiful, man.
You know?
Yeah, absolutely.
If someone lost it, they need it.
Absolutely, and you know, I think, is that your son or?
Yeah.
I think they have a great role model to look up to. I think that's a beautiful way to look at the world.
Thanks.
I think
Fine.
I just want to reward your honesty and your kindness by giving you $100 if that's all right with you.
Serious?
Yeah, absolutely. And I appreciate you.
All right, thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, dear.